Buyer showing activity is beginning to pick up across the state, signaling that the spring market is finally here. Better late than never. It's Friday, March 6th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Anne Arundel, Allegheny, Garrett, Carroll, Calvert, Caroline, Cecil, Frederick, Montgomery, and Prince George's counties saw buyer showings increase year over year. Baltimore, Baltimore City, Hartford, Howard, Somerset, Wycomico, Worcester, Charles, St. Mary's, Dorchester, Kent, Queen Anne's, Talbot, and Washington counties are all down year over year for buyer showings. Inventory for sale does continue to come onto the market, providing buyers more choices. New resale inventory rose 14% since the last report to 1,878 units and at a median $415,000. Coming soon properties rose 31.9% to 1,510 properties at a median $470,000. New contracts rose 3.1% to 1,524 properties and at a median list price of $425,000. Days before contract improved this report to 19 days. 36 more properties closed this report with 1,293 units selling in 26 days at 99.2% list to sold ratio. Rental units dipped again this report to 3,395 units available at $2,500 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 6th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week.